Windows 11 comes with too many useless apps and services, eating up the background resources. So in this video, I want to show you guys 3 different ways to clean up your Windows 11 and have better user experience. This video is for educational purpose only, so only proceed if you know what you're doing, and always back up your data. So the first method is FlyOOBE. This is a perfect tool for advanced users who want more control over the Windows bloat. So here you can go to Apps and Bloatware and click on Details. You can see there are some presets here for removing bloatware. We have full Microsoft experience. It will not remove many apps from the system, and we have balance, which is the default, and we also have the minimal, so it will only have the essential apps on the system. The balanced preset is safe and effective for most users, so I'm going to select it. You can either remove them one by one, or you can click on I don't want any of these apps to select everything. So I'm gonna do that, and then I can click on remove selected, and just like that, almost all the bloats will be gone from your system. And there are many other options to optimize the Windows even further. Like for example, you can go to AI section. Here you can disable the AI features that you don't want to use. If you go to the Experience tab, select on Let's configure your device, select Use Quick Settings. Here you can enable and disable many different things like ads, telemetry, and all that. And you can also change other system settings by selecting the system, and here you can enable and disable some advanced system settings. You can also tweak the Microsoft Edge, UI, gaming, privacy, and ads. You just select them and click on apply. Now, if you still see some of the apps that you don't want, you can use this tool called Geek Uninstaller to uninstall them. Like for example, I don't want the Microsoft OneDrive. I can just right click, uninstall, and it also looks for leftover files, and you can select them and delete them. Now, one thing you'll notice here, not all apps are listed here. Like if you go into Start menu, you can see we have way more apps than what we see on the Geek Uninstaller. So to fix that, we can go to View and select the option Microsoft Store Apps. And after that, you should be able to see more options and remove more bloatware. The last tool is a Microsoft utility called PC Manager. It doesn't do as much as the previous two, but if you are not a geek, this method is safer for you. It mainly helps optimize Windows 11 performance through system cleanup and program management. You can check out my previous video for the specific steps. And you can see that I've removed a lot of bloatware. The start menu looks much cleaner now, with only the essential apps left. Now, after debloating and cleaning up your system using all these tools, let's say if your computer still feels slow or keeps freezing, C drive running low on space can also be the cause. So for that, you can use this tool called Ease's Partition Master. It's not a debloat tool, but it offers powerful disk management capabilities. It allows you to allocate space from another drive to your C drive, which helps solve the low space issue for your C drive. I've put all the links to these tools in the description. And that's the full spectrum of Windows 11 debloat methods, from beginner to pro. Now you can pick the method that suits you the best. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments.